Hi friends, it's Ashley from church. I hope you're doing well. And today we're going to read a story. It's called Noah and the Very Big Boat. Now, I wonder, have you ever been on a boat before? Has it been a big boat or a small boat? Or maybe you have little toy boats that you use in a bathtub. Today we're going to find out about how God helped Noah build a very big boat to keep his family safe. Noah and the Very Big Boat. Let's get started. I am sad, 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 said God, because everyone is so bad, bad, bad. Some very bad, very big letters. God said to Noah, I'm going to splash, splash, splash them all away. But I promise I will keep your family safe, safe, safe. God told Noah to build a very big boat. You might like to help me with some of these sounds. Chop, 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 chip, chip, chip. Bam, 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 bash, bash, bash with the hammer. Noah did exactly what God said. The animals came into the very big boat, 2 by 2. Maybe you can help me with some of these sound effects. Roar, roar went the lion. Oink, oink went the pig. Squawk, squawk went the bird. Baa, baa went the sheep. Noah and his wife and their 3 sons, Shem, Ham, and Japheth, and their wives, all went into the boat with the animals. God shut the door to keep them all safe, 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 just as he promised. Now you might also like to help me with some of these rain sounds. Drop, 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 drip, 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 plop, 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 plip, plip, plip. Splish, 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 slosh, 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 gush, gush, gush. The rain came down for 40 days and 40 nights, just as God promised. That's a long time. Has it ever rained for 40 days and 40 nights in Australia? Oh, I don't know. Maybe you can ask your parents that. And the land was flooded so that everything was underwater. God washed everything away that was bad, bad, bad. But Noah and his family were safe, safe, safe in the very big boat, just as God promised. The water slowly drained away. Gurgle, 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 glug, glug, glug. Maybe it's like the sound of a bath. Thump, bub, plonk. The very big boat came to rest on Mount Ararat. Caw-caw, caw-caw, caw-caw. Coo, coo, coo. Noah sent out birds to see if the land was dry again. When the dove came back with an olive leaf in its beak, Noah knew that the flood had ended. Noah and his family and all the animals came out of the very big boat into the wonderful, washed clean world that God had given them. God had kept them all safe, 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 just as he promised. And God made another special promise that day. People will still be bad, 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 but I promise I will never, ever again wash, wash, wash them all away. And God put his bow in the sky to remind everyone of his promise. So every time you see a rainbow, remember that God always, always, always keeps his promises. I wonder what times God has kept you safe, safe, safe. Maybe he's protected you with parents. Maybe when you got hurt, you were able to see a doctor. Let's thank God that he keeps us safe and he keeps his promises. Always, always,